Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my TikTok channel. And what I'm going to do today is something new. I'm trying to get into the mode of going live, but right now I'm so used to doing videos like for YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick video and we're going to post it on TikTok. And I'm going to show you some of the things that I usually do. All right. So today I got... well, not today. It was yesterday. I got a message on my Facebook from a customer that wanted an image put on a shirt, but she wanted it today. All right. So I'm gonna show you what I do when someone need a shirt or some quick turnaround. So what I'd like to do, I like to go straight into Canva, and Canva is like my go-to. I usually use Photoshop, but when it's quick turnaround, something real quick, I go to Canva, see if I can kind of make the image exactly how they want it or kind of similar to what they want. So I'm going to show y'all exactly what she sent me and tell you about the details that she wanted me to add to it. All right, so let me pull this up. Well, this is the design, the finished design. But let me show you what she sent me. So this is the picture that she sent. So from the top, I can kind of tell that she got the idea from Canva. So, so let me show y'all exactly what I did. All right. So let me delete this. And what I did was, since I knew that this image came from Canva, I typed in t-shirt and I went to t-shirt designs. Okay, so as I was scrolling through, I saw this image right here. And I said, okay, well, what they did was they just took the words and just changed the word from echo to code. So she wanted to say G code. So, all right. So what I like to do is I like to work from a 13 by 19 board when I'm doing shirts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'll change it to a 13 by 19. All right, and what Canva is doing right now is it's just making a copy of this file, putting it on its own board. So now it's on a 13 by 19 board. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this and let's change it from echo to code. All right. Down here, I'm just going to change it to Gulfport High. All right. Gulfport High. All right. Now let me go in and I'm going to bring in this G right here. So we're just going to work with this board right here. We don't need these other pages. So we're going to go ahead and delete them. So, all right. So let me bring this down some. All right. We're going to center that. All right. Now, when you bring an image in, and what Canva does is it takes all the colors out of that image, so you can use the exact colors that's in the image, so everything that you add to it can match. So that's one thing that I like about Canva. All right, now another thing is this is going on. It's a white background now, but it's actually going on an orange shirt. So we're gonna change this to white. Change this to white. All right. Also, let's go back to the design. Okay. All right. So basically, this is what she sent me. She wanted it to add admirals across the G. So what I did was I searched for a font that I liked, and this particular font is called Feeling Passionate. And what I did was I put an outline on it, and all right. Okay. All right. Now another effect that I want to do is I want to put a curve in the font. So let me go to what is it? No, not animation. What I'm doing? What's the effect called? Oh, curve. All right. Okay, so we're gonna make it 11 inches wide. We're gonna center it. And there we go. That's it. So what I did was I went on the internet, got an orange shirt, and I put this image on the shirt, sent it to the customer. She loved it. All right. So then after I got approval, I went in and I printed this out. I saved it as a DTF, not a DTF. I saved it as a PNG file, and I printed it in DTF. So once I printed it in DTF and I got the DTF ready, all I had to do was go press the shirts. So I went, got the shirts, pressed them, called the customer, told them it was ready. So at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the final results, and I'm going to show you how it look. So like I said, Canva makes everything easy. You can do a lot of quick turnaround jobs and same day or next day. But this is just a quick video I wanted to show y'all. So keep watching my videos. Thanks for the support from everybody on TikTok. Thanks for the support on YouTube and Facebook. And thanks for all the customers. So I'll be seeing y'all in the next video. Peace.